How's it going? Mike Love here at MarineMax Ocean View, and today we're taking a look at this 2025 Boston Whaler 330 Vantage. Starting on the back of the boat, this can be powered by the max horsepower option of twin 400s. That's the new V10s. Everyone loves these engines, and that awesome black color matches the black piping of the boat. Really cool aesthetic. Summer kitchen across the back. You have a grill, live well, which can double as a cooler for the days we're just entertaining and cruising. Sink and a refrigerator with some storage underneath. Fish boxes on both sides, and underneath me is access into your bilge, which is also a convenient spot to store the table you see on your right. Moving into the cockpit, one of the updates they did from the 32 to the 33 Vantage is they extended that hardtop and they added more seating. So now we have tons of seating, tons of entertaining space, all underneath the cover of this awesome hardtop. Over on the port side, you have a full table. If you don't want to set up the whole table though, you have a half cocktail table that pops up and pops back down. Also, these loungers can be adjusted on either side. Just clip this up and they can lay flat so you can make chase lounge facing either direction. And storage underneath these as well. Coming up to the helm, you got a single Simrad multifunctional display. You get your charts, depth, anything else you need underway. All your redundancy switches, and everything can be controlled through that as well. VHF radio, digital throttle and shift on those 400s. And then you have joystick with the skyhook and auto heading built in. On the starboard side, you have a double wide companion seat. Another one of those updates they made going from the 32 to the 33 is they switched the side of the berth and the head, giving you a much larger head. As this is a day boat, they thought it was much better use of space. So you have lots of space in there if you need to rinse off, use it as a changing area, or just use the facilities. On that port side, you still have a very nice size berth. Great place to lie down, get out of the sun, or just use as storage. Another one of the upgrades with the 33 is this huge full windshield in the front. Offers amazing protection, and you'll notice just how thick all the hardware and piping is on this. The Boston Whalers are really robust. It's one of our favorite things about them. Up here on the bow of the boat, great entertaining space. Lounger seats, armrests, and then where I'm standing you have a filler cushion that can go in, or you can pop that filler piece up to make a table. So great entertaining, great relaxing, lounging space. Windlass on the front, and a boarding ladder as well. So if you want to be jumping in and coming up for the front, you have that. You can control that windlass from the front or at the helm. So again, this is Mike Love here on a 2025 Boston Whaler 330 Vantage. If you'd like to check out this boat or any of our other available inventory, love to have you stop by. Thanks. Catch you out on the water.